Good morning, dear students. In the previous live class, we have read the chapter number 4, and I hope you all have done the word meaning also. Today, we will do the book exercise of the chapter. Prefix are letters added to the beginning of a word to make new words. Prefix मतलब वो letters जो हम किसी भी word से पहले लगाते हैं और उनका मीनिंग चेंज हो जाता है. जैसे अगर हम इसको देखें, एक्ट का मतलब होता है कोई भी काम, और RE लगाने के बाद हो जाएगा ये रिएक्ट मीन्स रिएक्शन देना अपना. प्रिंट करना. मिस प्रिंट मतलब जहाँ से प्रिंटिंग नहीं हो रही होती है या थोड़ा सा डल हो गई होती है. वी यूज सम प्रीफिक्स टू फॉर्म द ऑपोजिट ऑफ वर्ड्स एज undo, improper, incorrect, distress, etc. Form the opposite of the following words by adding un, im, in or dis. So first word is able का हम बनाएंगे unable, lucky, unlucky, obey, disobey, direct, indirect, moral, immoral, honest, dishonest, patience, impatient, complete, incomplete, discipline, indiscipline, necessary, unnecessary. तो इनको हम बोलेंगे प्रीफिक्स. हमने प्रीफिक्स लगा के इनको ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स कर दिए हैं. देन we use the when we say which one we are talking about or when there is only one kind of its kind. The walls in the kitchen are blue. The pencil on the table is mine. Open the window. The sun is shining. Fill in the blanks with the. Put across where the is not required. मतलब जहाँ पे the की ज़रूरत नहीं है वहाँ पे आपको क्रॉस लगा देना है. तो राजू से पहले the की कोई नीड नहीं है, so we write simple cross. Raju lives in Delhi. Rajni is his sister. Every year they go to Mumbai to visit their grandmother who lives near the sea, क्योंकि वो सी के नज़दीक रहती हैं. In her house the kitchen is small but the garden is very big. She always gives the children money to buy toys. This summer the children are helping their granny to paint the house. They are painting the walls white and the doors blue. You know that we use a or n with a singular countable noun जिनको हम काउंट कर सकते हैं. We don't use a or n with uncountable noun. Put a tick or cross against each sentence. Rewrite each incorrect sentence correctly adding a और n. जो ठीक है सेंटेंस उसको आप एज इट इज़ लिखेंगे और जो इनकरेक्ट है उसको आप करेक्ट करके लिखेंगे. आई हैव गॉट गुड आइडिया, तो आई हैव गॉट अ गुड आइडिया, तो इसमें हमने ए लगाया है. डू यू लाइक चीज़, ये आपको एज इट इज़ लिखना है क्योंकि इसमें ए और एन नहीं लगेगा. हैज़ेंट शी गॉट वॉच, हैज़ेंट शी गॉट अ वॉच, तो हमने ए लगाया है यहाँ पे. आई वॉन्ट कप ऑफ कॉफ़ी, आई वॉन्ट अ कप ऑफ कॉफ़ी, वी यूज़ ए. कैन सुधा ड्राइव कार, कैन सुधा ड्राइव अ कार, एंड देन वी विल पुट क्वेश्चन मार्क ऑल्सो. अनु नेवर वियर्स हैट, अनु नेवर वियर्स अ हैट. वी नीड फूड टू लिव, ये बिल्कुल ठीक है, ये एज इट इज़ लिखेंगे. मैरिड डजेंट ईट मीट, दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. शी ईट्स एप्पल एवरी डे, शी ईट्स एन एप्पल एवरी डे. आई लाइक कॉफ़ी विदाउट मिल्क, तो ये ठीक है, इसको हम एज इट इज़ लिखेंगे. नेक्स्ट इज मैच द हाफ्स टू मेक कंप्लीट सेंस. मैच करना है हमें. आई होप यू विल find my advice useful. So this is first. Why don't you stop eating chocolate? Second, Thanks for your letter. Number 3. Why don't you stop eating chocolate? Thanks for your letter. It would be a good idea to eat lots of salad. Let me know if you need any more help. How about eating porridge instead of ice cream? Okay, so you will match it or you can give number. Then in complete the question, use what, who, where, how with a suitable verb. Look at the answer first. They are very well. How are your parents? At the end of the street, where the bus stop? 10 years old. How old is your sister? Rupees 50 a kilo. How are these oranges? Hockey. What is your favorite game? Black. What is the color of your new shoes? That's my uncle. Who is the man in this photograph? Then we have this last exercise also. These are the jumbled letter. Unscramble their name. So this is feet, truck, ship, bus, bicycle, train, plane, car, sailboat. Which one of these ways is the slowest? You can write feet or you can write bicycle. Which one is the fastest? Plane. Which of these have you traveled by? Bus or train or plane, car, ship. Which one have you liked best? Ship. So you can write your name. If you like the best plane, car, anything that you like, you can write here. In this way we have complete the chapter, and I will send you the question answers also. I will send you only the answers. These are the answers of your questions. You will write the questions from book and then you can write answers from here. I will send you these pics of the answers. So you will write these question answers and book exercise also.